Hello everyone, my name is Hizqeel Ghufrand and I'm part of the Introduction to Environmental Science class. Today I'll present my final examination for Introduction to Environmental Science. In this video I will answer all 5 questions based on the article titled Transforming Face of Circular Business Model Innovation in IKEA by Kral, published in 2023. So, as required, I will clearly show evidence from the article with their direct quotes and highlighted lines in each answer. And my presentation is organized into 5 sections following the exam questions, of course. So, question number 1, IKEA SWOT plus ISO standard. First, I will explain IKEA's strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats in implementing its circular business model transformation. As for the strengths itself, you see the article shows that several strengths. For example, in paragraph 5, it states that IKEA's circular strategy begins in 2018 with a commitment to full circularity by 2030. This demonstrates a strong long-term sustainability commitments. And another strength is that IKEA's product design capabilities. So the article clearly lists its circular design capabilities such as the repairability, modularity, and durability, and also recyclable materials. So not only that, IKEA also operates circular hubs, buyback programs, and some spare parts services showing strong operational readiness for circularity. So moving to the weaknesses, IKEA also faces some weaknesses, of course, as paragraph 7 states that seniors, managers, and long-standing employees often resist due to legacy practices. So this means cultural resistance is still a barrier in terms of this. Additionally, the article explains that some circular initiative works in one location but fail in other due to infrastructure's limitation, showing that IKEA success is pretty much dependent on local condition. Now let's move to opportunities, which is the article highlights that circularity offers new businesses opportunities for IKEA, and it mentions that in paragraph 8 that there is also increasing customer interest in repair, reuse, and buyback systems which IKEA can leverage. Finally, IKEA experimenting with product as a service models which create new revenue opportunities. And as the threat itself, the threats mostly related to scaling. Paragraph 7 describes local versus global dynamics, creates tension, meaning global standards cannot always match local conditions. And also another threat is that profitability. So some circular programs cannot scale unless they generate profit, which is relevant to ISO standards. And now I will mention ISO standard that supports IKEA circular transformations. So ISO 14001, which is environmental management system. This ISO standard is relevant because IKEA again aims to reduce waste, emissions, and resource depletion. These principles align with the paragraph 1 of the article, which is with paragraph 1 of the article. And for the ISO 9001, the quality management system, they support durability, repairability, and material quality, important for long-lasting circular products. So as for the ISO 14040 life cycle assessment, this standard is directly related to IKEA's effort to assess its 9,500 product range for circularity, as mentioned in paragraph 5. So these ISO standards help IKEA maintain quality, environmental responsibility, and life cycle thinking during its circular transformation. So as for the question 2, 4 phases of CBMI, for the second question, the 4 phases of circular business model innovation, or again, which we call CBMI, are stated directly in paragraph 1 of the article, visioning, sensing, seizing, and transforming. So these 4 phases describe how companies shift from early circular ideas into full-scale implementation. And moving to question 3, key actors in the transforming phase. For this question, this article identifies many actors involved in the transforming phase of CBMI. Direct actors include IKEA as the main organization itself, employees, customers, suppliers and manufacturers, waste management companies, NGOs and social enterprise, and also and the Ellen MacArthur Foundations. And also there is an indirect actors included policymakers, certification bodies, academic institutions, and all of these actors interact as a part of the circular business ecosystem. This information is found in paragraph 6 uh, from the article. As for the question 4, which is the as for the fourth question, IKEA faces several challenges when scaling circular initiative globally, because as we see that the article described this very clearly in paragraph 7. One challenge is ecosystem dependency, and for as for the example, the Christmas tree recycling project worked in one city but failed in another because there was a lack of facilities. Another challenge is that cultural resistance from employees and managers who are used to linear business practices. The article also mentions tension between the local and global dynamics, making it difficult to standardize systems across all markets while keeping emissions really low. So finally, IKEA must ensure that circular pilots such as second-hand stores are financially profitable before scaling them globally. As for the last questions, IKEA circular transformation software collaborations and ecosystems dependency are essential for advancing sustainability, because in paragraph 3 stated that circular business ecosystem rely on value co-creations across networks. This means succeeds depends on collaboration between manufacturers, waste managers, NGOs, policymakers, and customers, of course. Paragraph 6 also highlights the dynamics interplay between global strategies and local actors. A clear example is the Christmas tree recycling project mentioned in paragraph 7. It shows that it succeeded only when the right local partner and infrastructures were available. This shows that no company can achieve circularity on its own. So successful transformation requires cooperation across the entire ecosystem. So in conclusion, IKEA transforming phase demonstrate how circular economy strategies requires strong collaboration, coordinated ecosystems, and organizational commitment. So to my answer, I have provided direct evidence from the article by quoting and highlighting the relevant lines. Thank you for watching my presentation.